Hi, my name is Sylvie. I am a certified health coach and fitness trainer, and I help women look great and feel great through fasting and exercise. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a Prolon inspired quinoa minestrone soup. As usual, you can check the link in the description to find the whole recipe, all the ingredients written down, as well as the nutrition facts. Because as you know, when it comes to doing a fasting mimicking diet and we're producing the Prolon recipes, the nutrition facts do matter, and a lot. And with this particular recipe, I did a pretty good job at keeping the same macronutrient ratio. I think you will appreciate that. Keep in mind that the recipe makes 8 servings, but these are really tiny servings, only 130 calories each, as per each servings that you will find in the Prolon kit. If you are making this recipe for the average person, that would be more like 2 servings. But in the case of the fasting mimicking diet in the Prolon kit, I'm not sure what else you eat that soup with during the day, but it gives you only 130 calories. I also have other soup recipes. I have another video with 5 Prolon inspired soup recipes. And again, you can find the link to that in the blog post that I'll put in the description. This particular minestrone soup was requested by one of my readers, and it's very similar to the other minestrone soup that you'll find in my other video. A few different vegetables, and you use quinoa instead of legumes, but you'll find that it's a pretty similar recipe. Here's what you'll need to prepare this recipe. You will need 1 cup of cooked quinoa, 1 medium potato chopped, 3/4 cup of rice flour, 1 cup of spinach, 1 cup of green peas, fresh or frozen, half a cup of cabbage, chopped or shredded, half a cup of carrots, chopped or shredded, half a cup of onion, chopped, half a cup of celeriac, chopped, half a cup of zucchini, chopped, half a cup of tomato, chopped, half a cup of celery, half a cup of broccoli, all chopped, and 1 clove of garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of basil, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of celery seeds, and half a teaspoon of sage. Some of my vegetables are prepared already. I'm just going to finish whatever I have left here. The first thing you're going to do is cook the quinoa according to package instructions. And you're going to chop all your veggies like I just did. And then you're going to put all your veggies except for the spinach and the green peas in a big pot. You're going to cover that with water, just like so, and cook until the potatoes are tender. Meanwhile, I'm going to put my spices in a bowl. And also I'm going to prepare our rice flour and spinach mix. I'm going to use it to thicken the soup, and it's also going to give it a bit of a green color. Some people call it the green soup when they talk about that Prolon soup. So you're going to put 3/4 cup of rice flour with 3/4 cup of water into your blender. You're going to add a cup of spinach. So now we're going to blend this. The green mix is now going to be used as a thickener. So I added it to the soup and I'm going to whisk it in. It'll probably take about half an hour of simmering to get your vegetables to be tender. And also I found that my green thickener made with the rice flour didn't really thicken the soup much. So depending on how liquidy you like your soup, you may want to put less liquid and add some as needed. My vegetables are pretty much ready, so I'm going to add my frozen peas in until they thaw. I'm also going to add my cooked quinoa. And that's it. Your soup is ready to go after this. I think it's going to be it for the Prolon recipes for a while. Unless you have special requests, I made the main ones that I wanted to make and that people have been asking me to make. For next week, I think I'm going to make a video about different coffee recipes that you can make while you are fasting and how these may or may not impact your ketone levels and your glucose level. So I think that's what I'll be doing. But if you have any other type of recipe that you would like, don't forget to let me know, and I'll see what I can do. Thank you for watching.